guys, what's up, what's up? This is my Su-35 fighter jet and this is equipped with thrust vectoring mechanics. The jet is realistic already, but it is more flex-worthy with this, guys. Awesome, right? So this is the mechanics I'm going to teach you. This is very easy, guys, and you can apply this to the other jets. By the way, if you don't have a fighter jet yet, try my tutorials. They are very easy, okay? So, assuming you already built like this, jet body, jet nose, and jet engine, on the nozzle part, delete these blocks, but do not delete the upper center blocks. So these two blocks remains. Clone the center block of your jet nose or jet body. Clone it to the nozzle. Select the nozzle blocks and the center block last. With move 20, move this to the side. Place block here. With 0.9, scale all sides like this. Place a block on the center block. Scale it to connect and align to the nozzle block. Match its width and height. It should look like this. Scale the length to 1. Mirror it. With rotate 30, rotate this one time. Then use scale 0.01 to connect it to the other block and match its scale. Do the same process. With this, scale it and align with the stick. Change color, delete the stick. With match rotation, place neon blocks on the curve inside the nozzle. Neon blocks must match the scale of the nozzle blocks. Change color, place two guide blocks on the center block. Scale sides with 0.5. Scale both guide blocks 2 times to the opposite sides. So this cloning process is just the same on how to make jet nose. So I assume you know what to do here to make this round. Then delete guide blocks. With 0.5, clone this top center block. And this side center block too. With scale 0.1, reduce scale to 1 for both. Then scale 1 time like this. Place servo on those small blocks like this. With move 1, move the servos away like this. Delete the small blocks. Place block on this white part servo. Place block on the dark part servo. Make the block smaller but still connected to the servo. Extend it to align with the other servo. Mirror it. Scale it like this, aligned with the white block servo. Mirror again, then scale it to connect to the white servo. So make sure these blocks won't touch the dark servo. Place block on the dark servo, then scale it to make it smaller. We make it smaller to make sure these blocks will not touch any other mechanics. Scale it connecting to the nozzle. But I suggest you adjust this block here, like this. It's up to you how you will connect this to the nozzle. Just make sure this block will not touch the white servo and other blocks or mechanics. Because these nozzle blocks can be used for the nozzle mechanics. So it's important that no blocks will touch this. Place thrusters on the center block. Move it to the front, make sure it doesn't touch the mechanics. Only the nozzle. Place piston here. Place block on the piston. Save and reload. Select all this except for this block. Uncheck anchor. Press the piston. Delete this center block. Select all these and check anchor. With move 20, move it back to the jet engine. It should look like this, and mechanics should not touch any other blocks, okay? Place block to connect this to the jet engine or body. It's up to you how, just make sure this will not affect any other mechanics. Turn off collision of all the mechanics. Select all the mechanics but not the nozzle blocks and thruster. With move 0.5, move like this one time. Make the mechanics transparent. This is an assemble switch for the piston. With your seat, bind the servos. Control is up to you. Here I use the basic control of Build-A-Boat for Treasure. Servo speed and angle is also up to you, but me, I prefer to use 20 or 5 angle. So let's test this. Press assemble switch. Alright, there you go. I'm in control of the nozzle. See that? Yeah. Ready for thrust vectoring. Look at this. Looks like an eye, huh?
NANI?!
So again, this is how it looks on a fighter jet. It adds realism to your build. More flex worthy, yeah! I hope you like this, guys. By the way, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!